Okay, I'm going to be doing a mega example solve. Scramble's going to be in the description if I remember to put it there. So the first things I see are my star pieces, which are here, 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 and here, and this is a block. So first thought is obviously like make an X star, because I mean it's a free block. Why wouldn't you, right? And so the way that I'm gonna go about that, yeah. So I'll start by inserting my yellow piece, then my blue piece. I'll insert my purple. I'll rotate like this. I'll insert these two. Then I'll rotate back to here. I'll insert my block and I'll realign my star. And then I have my X star sold into the back. And then next I see these two pairs. So I'll probably rotate here, and then from here, okay, wait, this is actually really nice. I see a really nice multi-slot here. So separately, in terms of what you could do for these pairs, you could do like U prime F for that, or you could just do that for this, right? But you can cancel this like that, which is like a really nice, yeah, I don't know if I would like see that in real time in a solve, but it's just like put in an extra move while solving this pair, and then just cancel into inserting this after. And I see this, so since I don't see any other pieces, I'd probably rotate down like this and pair it up, and just insert it into the bottom here. And for this, you have, I mean, quite a few options. You can like do this into 2gen like this, or you can do like this into something like that, or you can rotate this way, which is probably worse. But yeah, so you'd probably either do this or this into 2gen. So if you wanted to do this into 2gen, so you can do this. So how did I set that up? Yeah, so the way you would like do this solution is just R prime, and then you cancel into this pair. So it's that. But if you wanted to do this, you have a few options. You can do like this. Oh, sorry, I just realized you might not have been able to see what I was actually doing. So bring the slot down, pair it up, insert, and bring it back up. But you also have the option of like, that's not what I did. I think I brought the slot down here when I was doing that. But yeah, you have lots of different options like that. Both are good. I don't know, just pick whichever one you want. And then here, so I know my orange face is here, right? So I'll rotate like this, like a big rotation, so that I can solve this block easily, because I tend to try to do this block in S12 first. And this is honestly quite bad. I think what I would honestly probably do is just insert this in my star piece. Actually, no, it's probably better to do this. If I were to use this as my star piece, I'd do this, and then you can just do that for that pair. If I didn't see that in time, because it's like all the way back there, like this is probably better, but I probably wouldn't have seen it. I'd probably just like F2 prime, like right thumb, left index, so that. Oh, messed up, yeah. And just insert, and then just rotate up and do a double back sexy. Or you could do like a fake rotation like that, but that would be probably better at home, because you aren't going to be nervous at home, but in comp it's going to be worse because you're going to lock up more. And here, this is going to be like a really easy free pair. So I'll insert this in my star piece. And it's just one move to a pair. And I insert. Okay, now here, in theory, you can do a cancel, but it's like bad. So you can do this into 2gen, or if you want, you can do like that into a pair. But like realistically, I don't think anyone who's like good is doing it on soul, since like it's just so awkward to do that, you know? Just like do the F into 2gen, realistically, you know? And then here, okay, so you don't want to get this trapped, so you have a few options. You can do like R prime F R F, you can do R prime F2 R F, you can do like R prime F prime R F. So all these are viable. If you're going to do R prime F prime R F, in this case it's best to do U prime first, because then you set up into this case where you can like do that. Yeah. What do I have? I have this. If you do R prime F R F, you're gonna get this case, so you can do another cancel here like that. So that's good anyway. And then if you do, what was the other one? Okay, well you can also do this where you can just cancel into this pair, but that's not what I was thinking of. The last one was R prime F2R, yeah. Okay, if you do R prime F2R, you can rotate and cancel into pairing this up, and then cancel into inserting like this. All those are viable options in my opinion. They both seem, or all three seem okay. For this pair, again, a few options. You can do U2, R prime, U prime, or F2 prime into inserting. But in my opinion, what's better, because it's already regripping and you're basically just spamming U moves, F, U prime, F2, and then inserting. And you can see here, you can cancel into pairing this up. And then for this, you can do L2 into doing this, but in my opinion, it would be better to do L2 prime instead. because it allows you to do this R prime F R cancellation. Now here I'm just going to rotate for this pair, so F, U2, F, and insert. Seems kind of bad, to be honest. I'll probably just do like, this is my star piece, F, U prime, or F prime, U prime, F, R prime, F, R. Then insert this. Yeah, this is very bad. So you have like two options. You can do like this, which is like ass, and then it like leaves you with a bad case next. Or you can just like rotate and do this, which is probably what I would do, and then you'd have to rotate again, but like that's just a horrendous case. And it's just last layer.